So it is seen that Lucas is sitting outside the house and Lucas is trying to hide his face and Lucas is not letting him film, and then it is seen that Lucas has punch marks on his face. And it turns out that Lucas and Marcus had a fight and Lucas is looking for Marcus, and while Marcus is hiding in the room, and actually Marcus and Lucas had a fight. And Marcus is not wanting to talk to Lucas, and Lucas is also very angry with Marcus, and Marcus says that it is not my fault, it is all Lucas' fault, and Marcus does not come out of the room. And Michelle is also with Marcus, and while Lucas thinks that Marcus will definitely get hurt, and Lucas says that it is all Marcus' fault and the fight happened because of Marcus. Then Lucas comes into the room and Ivan is also surprised to see the punch marks on Lucas' face, and Ivan tries to know why Marcus punched Lucas in the face, and Ivan also feels very bad, and Lucas also has pain on his face, and then Marcus is also looking at him angrily, and Marcus is telling Lucas to open the door, and Marcus is mad at Lucas, and Ivan is also scared seeing Marcus angry, and Ivan is not letting Lucas open the door, and Lucas also starts getting angry seeing Marcus. And while then Marcus also becomes a little calm, and Marcus also realizes that we are not doing well, but Marcus does not understand what is my fault. And Michelle also tries to explain to Marcus that you should not fight anymore, and Michelle wants Lucas and Marcus to get back together. And then Marcus agrees to talk to Lucas, and Lucas also comes out of the room, and Lucas is angry, why did Marcus punch me, and Marcus agrees that it was all an accident. But Lucas has decided that Lucas and Marcus can never be together anymore, and Lucas is in a lot of pain in his face because of the punch, and then Lucas goes outside. And Ivan and Michelle are worried about why Lucas and Marcus fought, and then finally Marcus also goes out to talk to Lucas, and Ivan and Michelle have no idea about Lucas and Marcus fighting. And Michelle and Ivan have never seen Lucas and Marcus in this situation before, and they hope that Lucas and Marcus will get along well with each other, but still Lucas and Marcus are in a fighting mood. And Lucas and Marcus are very angry with each other, and Ivan and Michelle are watching Lucas and Marcus, and while Lucas and Marcus try to talk to each other, but then it turns out that Lucas and Marcus are pranking and they have not had any fight with each other, and while Ivan and Michelle get very upset after seeing Lucas and Marcus fight,